Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So here I am with our next video and it will be from the chapter area related to circles. Okay. So there is definitely one question from 3 marks. Okay. Under the 3 mark section. Most of the time they give two questions. Okay. And both of them will be or. So either you have to do the first or the second one. Okay. So you may expect questions like this in your exam this time. Okay, so we'll solve this one by one. We'll take different types of question that has been asked in the previous exams, okay, and also in the model paper, and some of the questions from the textbook which are very important. Okay, so before that, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. Okay, and don't forget to press the like button. Also, if you find this useful, do share it with your friends. Okay, so let us start one by one. So here is the first question. If the area of circle is 49 square units, then its perimeter is dash. See, the area of circle, what is the formula? It is pi r square. And perimeter, which is also called as circumference. What is the formula? 2 pi r. Now they have given area as 49 pi. Okay, this is equal to pi r square. Pi gets cancelled. R will be root 49 and that is equal to 7. Correct? So R is 7 units. Now what is perimeter? Just substitute 2 pi into 7. So that is 14 pi. Do we have that option? Yes. Option number C is there and that is the right answer. Okay. Next is this question. In the given figure, the length of arc AB of circle with center O, if AOB is 90. Okay, AOB is 90 and they've given radius as 9 and they have asked arc length. So this is the arc AB they have asked. Correct. So what is the formula? See, this total length, if you take total length of this circumference, that is 2 pi r. But when they ask about arc, just multiply theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So that's what we are going to do. Length is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta here given is 90 divided by 360 into 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is how much? 7. Okay, so 7 will get cancelled. 94 is 360. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 11. So answer is 11. Since this is in centimeter, this will also be in centimeter. Answer is 11 centimeter. I hope it's clear. Moving to the next question. Find the area of the unshaded region in the given circle uh, of radius 7 centimeter and sector angle. Okay, this angle they have given as 30 degree as in the figure. So they have asked unshaded, not shaded. So shaded region minus total area will give you the area of unshaded. Okay, so area of, I will write indirectly, unshaded region is equal to area of circle minus area of shaded region. So what is area of circle? It is pi r square minus this is theta by 360 into pi r square. Correct? So pi r square is common. Let me take it out. Here you will get 1 minus theta by 360. Right? So after solving this, we can write here theta as pi is 22 by 7 into 7 square and 1 minus theta is 30. So 30 by 360. If you do this, you'll get 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 12. Okay. So now I will write it here. This 7 will get cancelled. You will get 22 into 7 into, if you take LCM, 12. So 12 minus 1. What is that? 11. So 22 into 7 into 11 divided by 12. Got it? So we can solve it like this. Cancel it. 2 11s are 2 6 are. Correct? Now 11 11s are how much? 121 into 7 by 6. Okay, so you can just multiply this first. 121 divided by how much? 7. So if you do that, how much will you get? So I will just do directly. 121 into 7 is 847. Okay, divided by 6, when you do, you will get answer as 141.16 centimeter. This is the area of unshaded region. Got it? You can also do separately. First find this, then subtract. Even that is fine. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next, we'll come to this question. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Okay, so these are the expected questions. ABCD is a side of 14 centimeter. Okay, so all of these sides will be 14, correct, centimeter. Now if I take this will become radius and diameter, correct? So again this is diameter. So this is 7, again this is 7, correct? It means radius is how much? 3.5. Again here radius is 3.5, isn't it? Now to find the area of shaded region, what you can do, area of shaded region, I'm writing in short form, but you have to write it properly in your exam, is equal to area of square minus area of 4 circles, correct? Because if you do total area minus if you are removing 4 circles, you'll get the answer. So what is this? It is L square, that is 14 square minus 4 into pi r square, correct? Radius will be how much? Yes, 7 by 2 whole square you can write for r square. So this is 196 minus 4 into 22 by 7 into this is 7 by 2. So write it twice because it is square. So 7 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 2s are. So you'll get 196 minus yes, multiply this. 7 cancel, 2 2s are cancel. Yeah, even this is cancelled. 22 into 7, how much is this? 4, 154. So you will get 2 and 9 minus 5 is 4. 42 centimeter square. That is the area of shaded region. Isn't it very simpler? Yes. You just have to use common sense. Okay. In maths, common sense is the key. If you don't know if you are not understanding the question, use your common sense properly. Next question. The perimeter of a circle with center O is 24. So 2 pi r they have given 24. And the angle formed by arc of the circle at center is 30 degree. Okay. Then length of AB is what? Okay. So you can just write. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Correct. So directly they have given this 2 pi r. Isn't it? 24 they have given. So no need to find radius and all. Direct substitute. Theta is 30 divided by 360. These two get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are 12 1s are 12 2s are. So answer is 2 what? Centimeter, because the other dimension is in centimeter. So this should also be in centimeter. 2 centimeter is the answer. Got it? Next question is here. In the figure, ABCD is a square whose vertices lie on the circle. Find the area of the shaded region if the perimeter of the circle is 88. Okay. Perimeter of the circle. So if I write 2 pi r as 88, what will be r? 88 by 2 pi, and pi is 22 by 7, correct? So we can write it 22 4s are 88 and 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. R is how much? 14, correct? So if R is 14, okay, this radius is 14. What is this? This is again 14, correct? So we have got diameter as 14. Sorry, 14 plus 14, which is 28, and since radius is how much? 14. Now we need to find the area of shaded region. How to find that? Area of shaded region, if you see, we can find area of shaded region is equal to area of circle minus area of square, correct? Isn't it? But do we know the sides of this square? Do we have that? No, we don't have that, so we need to find it first. Okay, see, this will be pi r square, correct? So we have radius as how much? This is radius, correct? This will be how much? 14. So radius is there, pi is there. But what about this L square? Formula to find area of square is L square. Okay, we have this length but we don't know its value. So what can we do? See, for that we can do one thing. See what you can do. If you look at this figure carefully, okay, these two are the sides of square, correct? It means they should be equal, and this alone is what? The diameter. So if you use like DAB, if you use Pythagoras theorem here, this will be what? 20 square is equal to, if this is A, this will also be A, correct? So it is A square plus A square. This is how much? 2A square. And this is what is 28 square? You should know that 28 square is 784, correct? So 784 by 2 if you do, okay, what will you get? You will get 392, isn't it? That is your A square. But what is A? Root of 392. What is root of 392? This is not a perfect square, so what we'll do, we'll keep it as it is, okay, because here it will get cancelled. See, so L square, so L means the side, it is 392 square, write it as it is. Now pi is 22 by 7 into radius is how much? Here it is 14, so 14 into 14 minus this is 392. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, correct? So now 22 into 14 twos are 28 minus 392. So this you have to do first. What is 22 into 28? This is, if you solve, you'll get 616 minus 392. If you do, what is the value? It is 224. Okay, and since it is area, we can write it in centimeter square. Don't forget to write this. Got it? I hope it's clear. Now moving to this question. ABCD is a ABC is a right angle at A. Okay, you can see it here. The sides A, B, B, C and AC are tangents to the circle with center O. Okay, as shown in the figure. If AB is 6, okay, this, where is AB? Yeah, this is 6. BC is 8, correct? Find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. Yes, this is also a very interesting question. How can you find the area of shaded region? So if you use your common sense, you'll find that area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of circle, correct? So area of triangle will get half into base into height. We have that. This is height, this is base. But what about circle? Do we have anything to find the circle? No. Then how are you going to do it? For that, we'll use a different logic here. See what can we do here? We'll just find the radius like this. If I draw a line from here, this is, you can see this is the perpendicular. Again, if I draw here perpendicular to this, and if I draw here again, this is the perpendicular to this side, correct? Now if I join it like this, join it from the corners too. Let me use the different ink pen here. Okay, this and this. So we are getting three small triangles here, correct? The bigger 3 and smaller 3, and this is O. So I can write the total area is how much? Half into base into height, right? So half into what was base? It is 8, correct, from this side, and height was 6. So on solving this you will get 24. So total area is 24. Now in this figure, okay, in this figure, if I take total area, it will be sum of the three figure. This is B plus A and C, and this is O. So can I write that triangle OAB plus triangle OAC plus triangle OBC, correct? triangle ABC area, okay, is equal to all this. Why? Because only using this we can find the radius. See, I will show you. So this will be again half into base. In AB, what is base? This side, correct? Into height. Height is what? If you see, this is height and that is the radius. So I'll write it as radius, correct? Plus in OAC, base is AC. AC is how much? 8. So half into 8 into again radius, correct? This is the radius. In the third case, same, half into base. Now this is 6 and this is 8. So using Pythagoras theorem you could have find this BC square. Okay, so let me do that also here. BC is equal to root of 6 square plus 8 square, which is 36 plus 64, and that is 100, and therefore this is 10. So BC is 10. Okay, so BC is 10 into again a radius, correct? So 24, we can take half and r common, correct? Half into r is common. So here you will get 6 plus, how much is this? 6 plus 8 plus 10. So r by 2 into how much is this? This is 14 plus 10 is 24. So this is 12 and here it is 24. So r will be 24 by 12, that is equal to how much? 2. So like this we can get radius, that is 2 centimeter. Got it? Now we have got radius. So can we find this? Pi r square. So this was 24 we already got, and this is 22 by 7 into 2 square, that is 4. So 24 minus how much is this? 4. This will be 4. So 88 by 7, correct? So 88 by 7, when you solve it you will get divide this 88 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1 8, 7 twos are 14. You'll get here 4075. So you can get approximately 12.5. So I will write it here. 24 minus 12.5, when you do, you will get 11 point how much? 5. Approximately it is 11.5 centimeter square. That is the area of shaded region. I hope you have understood this. So practice this question. It's very important. Okay, moving to the next question. So the next question says that in the figure ABCD is a square of 14, okay, with the center A, B, C and D. You can see in the figure. Externality has 2 remaining sides. Okay, shown. Find the area of shaded region. So this is the shaded region. So if you see, area of shaded region will be area of square minus how many quadrants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 quadrants, or that is also called as sector, where angle is 90 degree, correct? So they have given this as 14. So 14 square minus 4 into quadrant will be theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, so this is 196 minus 4. This will be 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius. If you see, how are you going to get radius? This total, if you see, this total length is 14. So half is radius, correct? So 7 from here to here, 7 here to here, 7. So radius is 7. So 7 into 7. Okay, so 196 minus this will be 4, correct? 7 7 gets cancelled here, 4 4 gets cancelled, and this is 2 14 14 1 15. So on solving we will get 2. This is 4. That's all. So 42 square centimeter is the answer. Okay, moving to the next question. What is the question given? They have given that AB and CD are the arcs. Okay, you can see this is one arc. Let me use different color. This is an arc. Yeah, this is an arc. Okay, and CD again. This is another arc of two concentric circles. Concentric means the radius center is same, radius is different. Okay, they have given 21 and 7. So the bigger one radius is 21 and the smaller is 7. AOB is 30. Find the area of shaded region. So how are you going to find? See, if I write area of the sector OAB, okay, minus OCD. Okay, OAB, this total minus OCD. Will I not get this shaded region? Yes. So that's what you have to use here. Okay, so theta, again write the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Again here this you have to take the bigger radius, let me write it as 1 minus theta by 360 into pi r2 square. So what is common here? Theta by 360 into pi is common. R1 is 21 square minus R2 is 7 square, that's all. So theta is how much? 30. 30 by 360 into pi 22 by 7 into what is 21 square? It is 441, right? 21 square is 441 minus 441 minus 7 square. What is 7 square? It is 49, correct? Yes. So you will get like this. Now solve this. 0 0 3 ones are 3 12s are. So 22 into how much is this? On solving you'll get 392 divided by 12 and 7. So is this divisible by 7? If you check, you'll get yes, 12. 7 5 is a 35 and 7 6 is a 42. Yes, you'll get like this. Now these two are divisible. 2 11s are 2 6 are. Correct. Now is this divisible by 6? No. So directly multiply 11 into 56. If you do 11 into 56, you will get 616 divided by 6. You will get the answer. Okay, it will be around 102.67 centimeter square. That's all. So this is how you have to solve this type of problems. Okay, moving to the next question, which is given here. In the given figure, ABCD is a square, okay, and two semicircles touch each other externally at P. The length of each semicircle arc is equal to 11, okay. Next, find the area of shaded region. So how are you going to do that? So first write the basic formula. Area of shaded region will be what? See, area of shaded region will be area of square, that is the square, correct, minus area of two semicircles, correct. So this will be L square minus 2 semicircle is pi r square by 2, correct. What is length? Do they have they given length? No, but they have given length of each semicircular arc. So semicircular arc, this it means 2 pi r by 2, because this is for circle. Length of circle is, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Since it is semicircle, you have to write 2 pi r by 2, which is equal to 11. It means they have given you can say radius. If I write, it will be 11 divided by 22 by 7. So 11 ones are 11 twos. It is 7 by 2, correct. Radius is 7 by 2. So if this is 7 by 2, again this will also be 7 by 2. So 7 by 7 by 2 is what? 7, correct. So this we got 7 square minus 2 will get cancel. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is again 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, so after solving this, we'll get this as 49 minus 77 by 2. What is 77 by 2? Yes, it is 38.5. So on solving it further, we get answer is 10.5 centimeter square. That's all. Very simple. Next question is this one. You can see it. They have given that, what is the question? ABCD is a rectangle, okay. ABCD, okay. If I write a line over here, yeah, now it is a rectangle of length 20, okay. This is 20, again this will also be 20, and breadth 10. So this is 10, again this will be 10. OAPB, OAPB, yeah, you can see this is a sector of radius 10 root 2. If this is 10 root 2, this will also be 10 root 2 centimeter. Calculate the area of shaded region. Take pi as 3.14. Okay. So again, basic concept you have to apply here first. Basic common sense, how are you going to get? So if I take uh, what can I do, area of shaded region will be area of this rectangle minus area of this arc, correct? Area of that arc. But do we have the area of this arc? No. Then how can you find the area of that arc? Okay, see, since this is a semicircle, correct? This is a semicircle, isn't it? Because this is a straight line. So angle formed over here will be 90 degree, correct? Isn't it? So if this is 90 degree, we can find the area of this total sector, correct? So let us find area of OAPB will be equal to, it is theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into, let me write pi as pi, is it is, we'll substitute in the final formula as 3.14, and radius is 10 root 2 whole square. So again you will get 9 fours are, here you will get pi into 10 into 10 square is 100 into root cancel, you'll get 2 here, and this is 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 50s are, you'll get 50 pi. This is area of OAPB. Okay, but we need only area of APB, this arc. How to do that? Now if you subtract this triangle, okay, from this total sector, will not will get APB, correct? Area of APB is equal to area of OAPB minus triangle. So triangle is half into base into height. That's all. Since it is a right angle, because here it is 90. So this we got 50 pi into half. Base is again 10 root 2, and even this is 10 root 2. So 50 into pi minus, we can do 2 5s, correct? This will be 5 into 10 into 2, correct? So 50 pi into 10 to the 20, then this is 100. Now use this. How much is this? 3.14. So 50 into 3.14 minus 100. So this will be approximately equal to 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 5 3s are 15. So you'll get around 157 minus 100, which is equal to 57. So this is area of only this figure, correct? This you can say semicircle. Now subtract here. So this is 10 into 20 minus, how much you got that? 57, isn't it? So this is 200 minus 57, which is equal to 1. This is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 143 centimeter square. That's all. Okay. I hope you have understood this. If yours, do press the like button. Kindly do that. Moving to the next question. And these all are 3 marks questions. Okay. So we have 3 questions left with. Let us solve one by one. A hand fan. A hand fan is made up of cloth fixed between the metallic wires. It is in the shape of a sector of radius 21 centimeter and angle 120, as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the cloth used. Okay. Also find the total length of metallic wire required to make such a fan. Okay. So what will be the area? See, this is a fan. Okay, so the area of cloth required is area of the cloth used. We have to cover from this side, correct, as well as the back side, correct? So whatever area of sector you get, you have to multiply with 2. Understood? So how to find that? Again, use the common sense first. There are 2 questions in that. Area of sector, so theta by 360 into 2 pi r, directly you can do. Area is theta by 360 into 2 pi pi r square. Theta is 120 by 360 into pi 22 by 7 into radius is 21 into 21. Correct? So solve it. So 7 threes are. We'll get 12 ones are 12, 3s are 3 gets cancelled. So 22 into 21. How much is that? 462. 462 centimeters square. So this is area of the one side of this fan. Now to use the cloth, we have to cover both the sides. Correct? So okay, if handmade is made up of cloth fixed in between the metallic wires. Okay, so it is fixed here. Correct? It is in the shape of a sector. Okay, so this much is enough. Area of sector is enough. No need to find both sides because we are not covering. It is just fixed. So only this much is enough. Area of the cloth is 462 centimeters square. Now one more question they have asked. What is that? Find the total length of metallic wire. Okay. So these are the metallic wires. This and this. Required to make such fan. So fixed between metallic wires. Okay, this again, this is also metallic wire and this. So we need to find length of arc also first. So length of arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So 120 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. So again 3 is a 7, 3 is a 3 gets cancelled. It is 44. So length of arc is 44 plus 21 plus 21. How much is this? 4 to 6, 6 to 8. 86 centimeter long wire is needed. Metallic wire is needed to make this fan. Got it? I hope you have understood this. Moving to the next question. ABCD is a square of side 14. Again, 4 congruent circles are drawn as shown. Calculate the area of shaded region. Okay, so shaded region again. So it is 14 square, area of square minus 4 into area of the circles, pi r square. Correct? So it is 196 minus 4 into 22 by 7 into what is r? So if this is 7, r will be 7 by 2. Correct? So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 cancel, 7 7 cancel, 196 minus 154, which is equal to 42. Correct? So it is 42 centimeters squares. This is very simpler. Coming to the last question, they have given that in the figure ABCD is a square. I think I have solved this problem already. Let me check. Yes, it is similar to this one. Correct? Is it? No, it is similar to this question. Okay, so I will not solve it again. You can refer that previous question itself. Now coming to the questions which I had given in the second PDF. Okay, because most of you are asking to solve that also. So let me check those questions. Okay, so this one already we did now, 14 centimeter. The last question as well as the previous which I told I have solved. So this is done. This needs to be done. And again, ABCD is a square of side 10 in semicircles drawn. So actually this is a square. In this figure it doesn't look like a square. That is a square. Let me show you. Sorry. That is something like this. Okay. And they have given semicircles. Okay. That question is again similar. This question is similar to the one which we solved. I think it's here. So let me not solve it. Yeah, that is similar to this question. Okay, so try to solve it like this. So let me not waste time there. Where is it? Yes, it is similar to that only. Okay, but okay, you have 4 semicircles. Okay, it's little different like this and like this it's coming. So what you have to do, see, area of shaded region. So same, I will just tell you the method, you can follow it. Area of shaded region is area of square minus See, this is one arc, this is again one arc. What will be these arcs? But if you look at carefully, okay, uh, okay, you can see I have replaced that with the original figure. This is how that figure will look like. Okay, now let me erase this. Now what are you going to do to solve this? See, what you can do, you can just mark these as 1, okay, this as 2, this as 3, and this as 4. Okay, now what can we do? See, if I write, if I need to find the area of these two triangle of area of quadrant 1 and 2, what am I going to do? First, let me find the area of 1 and 2. Area of quadrant 1 and 2. How am I going to get that? So to find that, what we have to do, area of this ABCD. Okay, if I write ABCD square, okay, then if I subtract these two sides, this and this, correct, will I not get 1 and 2? Correct. If I subtract this completely, this semicircle minus this semicircle, isn't it? So if I do this, will I not get area of 1 and 2? Correct. Yes, I can get that. So we'll do that only. So area is 10 square for square, and this is 2 into pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7, correct, into, okay, let me write it here, 2 into pi r square, since they are semicircles, by 2. So again, pi r is how much? Total is 10, so r will be 5. So 5 into 5 by 2, correct. So here 2 2 will get cancelled, okay, and this will be 100 minus this is 5 5 is a or else you can do like this, 5 2 is a 10 11, so this is 50 5 sorry, 5 5 is a 5 2 is a 10, 5 2 is a 10, 110, 550 divided by 7, correct. So 100 minus, we'll get this as 21.5 after solving this, and that is equal to, sorry, 78.5, and that is equal to 21.5. So area of quadrant 1 and 2. Now similarly, we can find for quadrant 3 and 4, correct. This is 3 and this is 4, and that again will be same, that will also be 21.5. So we got that 1 2 3 4 is 21.5 plus 21.5, okay. So therefore area of shaded region is area of the square minus 2 into 21.5. So this is 100 minus, how much is this? It is 43. So we'll get the answer as 57 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Okay, just see, because there is a little confusion. 1 and 3. Here I have taken 1 and 2. Make it 1 and 3. Okay, because 1 and 3 we can get only when we subtract this and this. Okay, this and these two if you remove, we'll definitely get 1 and 3. So this is 1 and 3, and whatever you get second, that is 2 and 4. Okay, so 1 and 3 will get like this, 2 and 4 again will get like that. Got it? I hope it's clear. Next question is, in the given figure ABCD is a quadrant of radius 14 centimeter, okay, and a semicircle is drawn with BC. Okay, so this is the diameter, BC is the diameter, and from here they have drawn a semicircle. Now find the area of the shaded region. So how are you going to do this? So what you can do, area of semicircle you can find, I'll just tell you the trick. Area of semicircle minus area of this segment, okay, area of this segment, okay, let me show you. See, area of semicircle minus area of segment. Okay, so area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, correct? Now area of segment is what? This segment you have to subtract. You have to subtract it from area of sector ABC minus triangle ABC. If I name this as X, ABC, ABXC. So this is how you have to do. So 22 by 7 into radius is 14 square divided by 2 minus this is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. Got it? So this is 7 2s are 1 14 will be there, 2 2 cancel, so 22 into 14 minus theta is 90, so 9 1s are 9 4s are. So this is 4 into again 22 by 7, radius is same 14 square minus half into, or it'll just cancel 7s are, and 14 7s are how much? It is 98, correct? Now how much is this? 22 into 14 we'll get 308. Okay, here calculation you have to do properly. So 7 1s are 7 2s are, so 2 into 14 you have here, 2 1s are 2 2s are, correct? So 2 1s are 2 11s. Again 11 into 14 you are getting. How much is that? 11 into 14 you get it as 154. And this is minus 98. So 154 minus 98 is 56. Okay, so 308 minus 56 will give you the answer, and that is 252 centimeter square. Okay, so this is how you can solve this problem. Next is the last question. Okay, this is question number 5. Okay, so actually there was mistake here. Just see. If you see this, this is how much? This is 14. Again, this is 14. Now the semicircle is drawn from this side, correct? So we need this radius. Okay, so it will be different. How to find the radius of this line? See, this is 14. This is 14. Use Pythagoras theorem. So 14 square plus 14 square, okay, we'll get how much? This is 196 plus 196, which is equal to 2 9, and this is 3, correct? So this is 192 into 2, which is 14 root 2. So this will be, this total length will be 14 root 2. Therefore radius here, instead of 14 you have to write 14 root 2 by 2. Okay, so only this part you have to change on solving this. Okay, 22 by 7 into radius is 14 root 2 by 2 into 14 root 2 by 2. Again there is a 2. So see here, this 7 1s are 7 2s are will get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 7s are, again 2 2 gets cancelled, 2 11s are will get. So this will be 11 into 7 into root 2, it will be 2. So 77 into 2 you will get this as 154. Okay, so only this you have to change it as 154, and minus 56 when you do you will get the answer as 98. Got it? So final answer is 98. Only change this part. Got it? I hope you have understood. Now coming to the last question. So the question is very important. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square, with each vertex of the triangle as center. Okay, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half of the length of side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so since it is a equilateral triangle, area to find equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Remember this. Okay, I will take the side as L. Okay, so this becomes root 3 by 4 into L square. Now they have given the area, so substitute it. Area is 17320.5. So, and after solving this, how much will you get? And they have also given here root 3 as this much you have to take. So this is 1.73205 into L square by 4 into 17320.5. Now if you look at these two, you can say both of them are equal, correct? But the only thing is they are same. Here it is decimal, so what we can do, we can just cancel. This will be after 1 there are 4 numbers, so 4 zeros. Okay, this is how you can cancel. This into 10,000 is same, so L square will be 4 cross multiply 4 into 10,000. So L will be root of 40,000 and that is equal to 200. So you got length as 200. Understood? Next, what do we need to do? See, here we have got this total length as how much? 200, correct? And half they have given, this total is 200, again 200, again 2. So this part will be 100, 100, 100. Everywhere those parts will be 100, correct? Now to find the area of this, if I name this as AX, this is Y and this is Z. So area of sector AYZ. Similarly, I can find B, what is this? X, no, sorry, AXZ, BXY, and similarly CYZ. Okay, all three will be equal, correct? So I will just find one. It is theta by 360. What will be theta? 60 degree. Why? Because it is a equilateral triangle and angle is 60 for that. So 60 into 360 into pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7, but they have given 3.14, so I'll take that only, into what is r? R is 100, correct? So I'll write it as 100 square. So 0, 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. So on solving this, we'll get how much? We will get here, these two are divisible by 2. So 2 3s are, and here we'll get 2 1s are 5 and 7, correct? So this after multiplication, this becomes 1.57 into 2 more 0 because of square divided by 3. So this becomes 15720 again, and decimal is there, so that will go out. 20 for decimal, it's become 157 into 100 is 15700 divided by 3. So this is the area of one sector, only this part. Now to find the area of shaded region, we have to do area of triangle minus 3 into area of those sectors. So triangle area is, they have already given 17320.5 minus 3 into sector, which just now we have written 15700 divided by 3. So these two will get cancelled, and here after solving you will get 1620.5 centimeter square. Okay, so even this is very simpler, you just have to understand and do it. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. If yes, kindly do share it with your friends, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done it yet. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and all the best for your exam.